Let's look at a few buttons on the remote. The FireTv remote comes with an Alexa voice button to give commands to your TV, such as Alexa, switch to HDMI 1, a navigation ring for the up, down, left, right commands, with a selector button in the middle. In the center of the remote is the back, home, and menu buttons, followed by your fast forward, rewind, and pause play buttons. Next, you'll notice the plus and minus volume control buttons with the mute button on the side. Getting familiar with the guide. The program highlighted will display information on the top of the screen such as start and stop times, along with a visual time bar to display the current progress of the program. Underneath that, you'll see the time bar that shows the current day, time, and temperature, along with a current time indicator. While looking at the guide, certain programs may indicate whether there's a live event or a new program showing. You can move the blue cursor throughout the guide by using your navigation keys up, down, left, and right. The guide lets you preview 48 hours of future content and allows you to re-watch previously aired content up to 24 hours. After searching through the future or past content, you can press the rewind or fast forward buttons on the remote to quickly put the guide back to current time. After finding a desired channel, click the select button on your remote to get into the channel options. Select the Watch tab to begin watching. You can also bypass the channel options menu by pressing the pause play button on your remote from the guide. Click the back button on your remote to exit your program back into the guide. To enter a specific channel number, hold down the select button for 2 seconds while in the guide. The channel number box will appear. Type in desired channel number and either click the play pause button on your remote or navigate to the next option in the window. While watching your program, you can click the select button to pull up the program options. Hit the up button on your navigation ring to bring the cursor to the pause play option. Starting from left to right, you'll see the pause play, rewind, fast forward, restart TV, live, and record options, along with closed captioning below. You can change the channel by single-clicking up or down on your remote's navigation ring. You'll need to let the program options bar disappear before continuing channel navigation. While watching live TV, hit the menu button on your remote to display your recently viewed channels. This allows you to quickly flip between your 12 most recently viewed channels. To set up recordings, go to the Channel Options menu. Scroll down and select on Record and choose your recording options. You can choose Series New, Series All, or one-time recording. Or at any time while you're watching your show, go into the program options and select the record button. To access your recordings from the guide, press the menu button on your remote, choose recordings, and select any of your current recordings. All of your recordings from a series will be stored in a designated folder saved here. You can access any recording from the series folder. In the options list, you can select Watch to view a recording. After your cloud space is full, to prevent any recording from being deleted, choose the Protect icon to lock and ensure the recording will not be deleted. From the Recordings menu, you can scroll down to select Future Recordings. These are recordings that will be saved in the future once aired live. In the Future Recording list, you can edit your future recording start and stop time, search for a show, or delete a single recording. Under the series rules, you can open up any series to edit or delete. Select the Edit tab to change any recording options. Starting with recording type, all or new, keep at most single digits up to 10, your start time or end time of a program. After your recordings are set, a red dot will appear on the guide next to the program that is recording or that is set to record. Although the guide only shows up to 48 hours of future guide information, you can select any program, go to Options menu, click Search. This will display up to 12 days of upcoming airings. To manually search for a show, from the guide, press the menu button, click Search, and type in desired program. From there, the show will populate and you can select up to 12 days of upcoming airings. While in the guide, press the menu button and select For You. The For You option allows you to see the most popular shows on the GVT network right now. It also gives you channels that are playing live events happening now, lets you select movies that are playing right now, and also movies soon to be aired, recent recordings, and the weather. The weather shows you a 7-day forecast with a detailed weather description under each day. To create a favorites list from the guide, press the menu button and select Settings. Enable the option Show Only Favorite Channel in Guide and select the channels you wish to see in your favorite list. After selecting the channels and creating your favorite list, the guide will only reflect the channels chosen. To disable the list, go back into Settings and disable the Show Only Favorites in Guide, and the full guide will be restored. To add a device such as another Fire Stick to your account, from the guide, go to Menu, select Settings, and scroll down and select Account. This page will display a list of streaming devices on your account currently, with an option to add devices on the bottom. After selecting Add Devices, a login and temporary passphrase will be generated for you to enter into your new device. After the cloud space is full, your oldest recordings will be deleted. To save a recording, in the current recording folder, select the program and then select the protect icon to prevent a recording from being deleted.